Every creative hits a moment where things go sideways. No backup, no time. What you do next determines if you're a pro or just along for the ride. Here's what I did with nothing but a rental car, a Radio Shack store, and a $19 walkie-talkie. If you're a video creator who wants to lead better, think faster, and build a reputation for getting it done, subscribe, like, comment below. What's your most creative save on a shoot? Okay, here's the story. I was directing for a team that was part of the World League of American Football that would later become NFL Europe. Big playoff game, full crew. We'd flown in a sideline reporter. Everything was dialed in until we realized there was no intercom. No way to cue the reporter, no way to use him live. Big problem. Now, this is the moment every creative hits. You can freeze, blame someone else, or hope no one notices, or you can fix the problem. I spotted a shopping center way off in the distance. Didn't wait, grabbed the keys, no GPS, no plan, just instinct. There it was, a Radio Shack store. I ran in, grabbed 2 walkie-talkies off the shelf, $19 each. No time to test them, just the shot. Back at the stadium, we quickly realized that if the reporter stood in one exact spot on the far sidelines, we had just enough signal. So there I was, standing in the booth window yelling, "Go, go, go," into a plastic walkie-talkie. I'm flailing my arms like a madman to give him a visual signal to talk. And in spite of our crude way of communicating, he nailed every single handoff. For 3 hours it worked. The broadcast was a success. When I handed my boss the receipt and told him the story, he just smiled and said, "Well, I guess you made it work." This story isn't about $19 walkie-talkies. It's about mindset. Because creative success isn't about having perfect gear. It's about being the kind of person who figures it out. Real creatives don't panic. They adapt, they lead, they fix it. So what do you do when things go sideways? Here are 3 steps to help you lead like a pro on your next shoot. Number 1, run a what-if drill before every shoot. Take 5 minutes to think through what could go wrong, then walk through how you'd solve it. Power failure, bad audio, missing gear. The more prepared you are mentally, the faster you'll respond physically. Number 2, start building a problem solver's toolkit. This isn't about having every tool, it's about knowing what tools you can improvise with. Might be gaffer tape, phone apps, backup batteries, even something as simple as walkie-talkies. Build a go bag that makes you the calmest person on the set. Number 3, shift your mindset from control to creativity. You won't always be able to control the situation, but you can always lead through it creatively. Pros don't need perfect conditions, they just need a willingness to figure it out. Want to become the kind of creative who keeps cool under pressure and delivers every time? Check out my free workshop, The Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos. Links in the description below. And if you're ready to level up your creative process, check out my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow. Are you ready for the takeaway? The truth is, everyone can lead when things are going right, but when the pressure's on, that's when the real creatives show up. You don't need the perfect setup. You don't need all the answers. What you need is to move, to step up, to figure it out, because the client may never know what you fixed, but they'll remember that you showed up like a pro. And when things go sideways, you won't freeze, you'll fix it, because that's what real creatives do. Please like this video if it resonated with you. Comment with your favorite on-set problem-solving moment. Subscribe for more content that helps you elevate your work. And grab the free workshop or book a free 15-minute discovery call at paulstephenforrest.com. Thanks for watching.